Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is using the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. This is my first Jeffree Star palette, and I'm so happy I picked this one up. If you guys don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like on the inside. It is just so gorgeous. I love how there's neutrals, color, shimmer. It has a great balance of everything. It's an amazing palette. They are definitely worth the money. Highly recommend. Not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical at first, but I love it. I created this look one day out of complete boredom, and I posted it on Instagram, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a tutorial on it, and some of you said yes. So here's this makeup tutorial on this look that I posted on Instagram. I just love how it came out. It is so pretty, and I'm just obsessed. And I used blue. Like, who am I? We've talked about how I hate blue shadows. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, then keep watching. First, I'm going in with the shade Submerge, and I'm taking it on this little Morphe brush. I will put the name down below, but this brush, you need it. So first I kind of swirled it in my crease, but then to really make these shadows work, you gotta pat them in the crease and then kind of blend them out, if that makes sense. So I really patted it, and now I'm blending, as you can see here. That is just the best way to get these shadows to work, but they're amazing shadows. So next I'm going into the shade Quench, which is a gorgeous yellow, and I am just, again, patting this on top of Submerge. Normally when I do my crease, I would do like by my brow bone first and then work in, but for this look I did the opposite. I did my crease and then worked up to the brow bone. But I just really patted it on, and I'm blending it together with Submerge. Yes, Submerge. Just really blending it, and it looks so pretty. Next, I'm taking the shade Splash, which is another gorgeous like blue. It's like a blue-green shade, and I'm just really putting this one on the outer V. Just really laying it down. All the same Morphe brush. I did clean it off every time I changed the shade. I use like the I have like a brush cleaner spritz thing. Next, I'm going in with my NYX NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer to cut my crease for that half cut crease effect. And I'm using a brush I got in my BOXYCHARM. I will link all the brushes and stuff that I used down below, so make sure you check out the description box. But I just really am cutting out the crease before I lay down my lid shade, which my lid shade is going to be Divine, which is a gorgeous like silver metallic shade. And I'm using the same brush again. I cleaned it off before I used it, and I'm just patting this on the lid. Normally I would use my finger, but I didn't want to use my finger and mess everything up for this look, so that's why I used the brush. So next I'm going back in with Splash, and I'm just really putting this on the outer V because it did get a little lost when I was putting down the shade Define. Now I'm going in with the Studio Makeup Line Styler pen. This is one of my favorite eyeliners, and I am just making a wing on my upper lash line. I put tape on off camera because I didn't think you guys wanted to see how I do that, but if you guys want a tutorial on how I get like perfect eyeliner, let me know in the comments down below. I will gladly do that for you guys, because I feel like those are always really helpful videos. Very helpful. Now I'm going back in with Submerge, and I am just patting this along the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna blend it out, pretty much just creating what I have on the crease. So now I'm going in with Splash, and again I'm just going to be patting this on the lower lash line, blending it out, then going in with Quench, patting it on the lower lash line and blending it out, and then I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera, I am back. I put falsies on. They're from shop Vivid Rose. Then I'm going in with the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss, and I'm just popping this on because I wanted to do something nice and boring for the lips because this eye look is so bold and I didn't want to take away from the eyes, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials because I upload those a lot. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you would like to see more tutorials using this palette, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. If you guys are following me on all my social media and leaving comments on my videos, then that gives you a way to get a shout out in my next video. If you don't know how to get a shout out, make sure you're following me on Twitter. I will have tweets that say retweet for a shout out. Or if you're following me on Instagram, I'll have like questions as an Instagram caption. Or if you just answer like a poll on my Instagram story, anything like that, that's why you can get a shout out in my video. Or like I said, if you just leave like nice comments or video suggestions, also those give you shout out opportunities as well. So today's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And that is all I have to say. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.